Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show to you the way how to add or remove the access on your control center in iPhone. So the control center will be the part whenever you slide your upper screen here into downside. So let me show you. So whenever I slide down this right upper corner, they will be shown here, this part, and this is what we call as control center. So we can add several things on our control center as well as remove some of them. So the way to do that, you just need to go jump into the settings part, and in this settings part you just need to scrolling down until you found control center here. So you just need to click it, and here the control center, there will be several options that you can use. So this part is the control centers that you already have for now. If you want to remove some, for example, you want to remove this code scanner, so you just need to click this part to remove it and confirm it. And to add several control center or several things on your control center, you just need to scrolling down, and you can see several things here that you can add into your control center. For example, you want to have the shortcuts for the alarm, so you just need to go click this plus button. Or if you want to have this dark mode changer, you can also click this plus button. So you just need to choose which access that you want to have, and whenever you're done to choosing, just need to go click this plus button. And now let's take a look on the result by slide this part, and you can see the code reader is already removed, and the timer or the alarm is already added into your control center. So this will make you easier to create the alarm. So that's the way how to add and remove the things from your control center. If you found this tutorial today is really useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.